What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Deep Dark Secret from Inside Out 2. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the bottom edge of the brow. Now I want to leave a gap in the center. Let's start with the left side with a straight line going all the way across towards the outside of the eye. Let's line this up over on the right and draw that same length line. From the inside we just want to curl up the brow. So on the left bend this in and then up and do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. From the outside, let's step in, curve this down, and then up on the inside, and then do the same thing on the right. Now I want to add a small fold along the outside of the eye, coming down and then in. Let's draw the top edge of the mouth, starting underneath the left eye. Just going to bend this down, and just pull this up over towards the right side. Let's go back to the left, and round out the mouth. Come all the way down towards the corner. Let's go back over towards the right side. I'm just going to raise this up a little bit higher to right about there. And then on the left, round out the mouth, bend this up and across, and then out towards the right. Now let's separate the teeth. Starting over on the left, bend this across, and then up. Let's add a line along the bottom edge of the teeth, coming down at an angle, and we'll fill the corners of the mouth in black. Now that we've drawn in the face, let's draw the inside edge of the hood. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. I just want to curve this around the eye, and then come down towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the center, bend this around towards the right, going around the eye, and then down. Let's add two curves along the bottom edge of the hood, going down, and I just want to pull this up slightly in the middle, and then back down towards the right, round this out, and then pull that up. Now we want to draw the bottom edge of the head, starting over on the left side, coming down, across, and then out. Let's go to the top of the forehead. We're going to add a fold, coming down and up. Now from here, we're going to draw the outside edge of the hood. Going back to the center, step up towards the top, start with another point. I just want to widen out the head, and then bring that down towards the bottom, to right about there. Go back to the center, going across, and then down on the right. Now I'm going to follow these two curves coming across the bottom. Coming down, up in the middle, down towards the right. Round this out, and then bend that back up. Let's add a fold across the center, going up and then down. Now in the middle, on the top, draw one straight line coming down. We'll add a couple stitches going across. Now let's tuck the body in underneath the head. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to bend the body, coming in and then down. Draw the same length line on the right. Now I want to connect the ends with a curve. I'm going to add a couple notches, starting from the left, down and in, draw an upside down V, continue that curve over towards the right, add a small V, and then close off the end. Let's add a fold across the center of the body, going up and then down. And then over on the left side, we're going to add some stitches. Start with that curve, and then add a few stitch lines going across. Let's tuck the legs in underneath the body, starting in the center with a straight line coming down. Now I want to draw in the first toe. Let's start with the left side. We're going to go around, up, and then pull that back down towards the inside. I'll just mirror that over on the right. Let's layer three smaller toes going out on either side. So we're going to start back on the left, round this out, come in, almost like a half circle, and do that 2 more times. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now from the outside last toe, we're just going to add a fold, going around and then in. And then we'll close off the outside of the leg, starting from the left side, step in, bend this around, and then in behind. Now let's go back up to the top of the body. We'll draw the inside edge of the arm, starting on the left, going out and then down towards the cuff. Let's round out the edge of the cuff, but we're going to add a notch on either side. So starting on the left, then it's across, add that notch, continue out and then up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going across, add the notch, and then go out. Now we want to move all the way back up to the top and draw on the back. Let's start from the left side of the hood, then it's out, and then down. Line this up on the right, going out and down. Let's round out the shoulder and bend that in. Now I want to tuck the outside of the arm in behind the shoulder. So on the left side, we're going to go straight up and then bend that in. Let's add those stitches across the shoulder, starting on the top left, then it's down and then in. Do the same thing on the right side. I'm just going to add those stitch lines going across that line. Now we want to add a stitch coming in towards the head. So we'll start up here, bend this up and in. And again, just adding a few stitches. Now I want to tuck the hands in underneath the cuff. Let's start from the inside corner of the sleeve, draw a half circle, coming in and then out for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start underneath the thumb, come down and up around that bracket, and add 2 more fingers, step down, come across and then up, and then the 3rd finger, we just want to tuck this up underneath the cuff. Let's do the same thing on the right side. And at the end, we'll make sure we sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Deep Dark Secret from Inside Out 2. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.